Today I'm gonna show you how to get a truly wild, full body workout without going to the gym. All you have to do is get outdoors and use what Mother Nature provides. So, let's get to it. Okay guys, first things first, make sure you warm up and do some stretches. I like to do about 10 to 15 minutes of stretching, followed by some running in place, some jumping jacks, get the heart rate up, the blood pumping, before jumping into our workout. All right, now that I'm all warmed up and stretched out, I'm gonna show you 5 high intensity exercises using only resources from right here in my surroundings. So we're starting off with one of my all-time favorite full body exercises. I call the rock squat to shoulder press to throw. Truly getting a full body workout here. You're gonna work those legs, the core, the chest, the arms, the back, all of the above. So what you wanna do is get yourself a rock, something with a little weight to it, but within your comfort zone. I like about 35 pounds. I got this from the river next to me, nice river rock here. So what we're gonna do is put that up against your chest, harness that in like so, and then you're gonna go ahead and go into your normal squat technique, making sure to bend that back, get deep, deep squat, all the way to the top of your squat. Instead of stopping here, you're gonna grab this boulder above the head to the sky, holding it up and then slamming it down to the earth. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 here. Next up is pull-ups, which I'm sure you're all familiar with, but have you ever done it on a tree branch? It's the same thing, except you get to be out in nature when you're doing it. You guys remember Bruce Lee, right? Well, he came up with an awesome ab exercise called dragon flags. Now, a lot of people do this with a partner and they hold on to the ankles to do this, but I'm saying you can do this out in nature. You find a tree like this. This one's pretty cool because there's another tree jutting out into the river. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into position here. I'm gonna hold the base of this tree, and then essentially, using your body weight, you wanna just go ahead and throw your legs up into the air, slowly lower them down, stopping about 2 inches before you hit the ground, working the upper and the lower abs. Again, like so. Okay, next up on the list is plyometric push-ups. It doesn't get any more OG than push-ups, but you throw some plyometric push-ups into the mix and you're really taking your game to the next level. So what I do is I take 2 river rocks about the same size, I put them about a little bit further than shoulder width apart, and I go ahead and start on my normal push-up routine, of course using good push-up form, up, down, and then I switch it up, down, to the inside try, back up to the rocks, down to the try. Who doesn't like a good bicep tricep workout? We're gonna go back to our trusty river rock here. I got a nice chunky one. We're gonna do 16 reps, so 8 bis, 8 tries. We're gonna start with your traditional bicep curl, using that rock to come all the way up to the top, keeping good form, making sure to stay in your comfort zone with the weight that you use. And then after you finish those curls, we'll go ahead and bring it up and over behind the head, keeping those elbows in tight, isolating those triceps, getting a good skull crusher tricep workout. Woo! Starting to burn. So get out into some fresh air, be inventive, use what's in your environment, and get that great full body workout that you deserve. And for me, no workout is complete without a nice dip in the icy cold wild river. Woo! Oh, and that's a wrap on working out in nature's gym.